Hey everyone, welcome back to day 10 of my 30 days 30 AI fashion tools challenge. So far, we have explored tools for design, styling, branding, and even e-commerce. But today, we are moving into something really exciting, turning a text prompt or a garment or a product image into a 3D render. I'll be using Meshy AI, a platform that lets you go from text to 3D, image to 3D, and even 3D to video in just a few clicks. Let's start with text to 3D. Here's how the interface looks. Just type in your prompt. If you are not confident with prompt writing, you can even use Gemini or ChatGPT to refine them for you. For the model, I selected Meshy 6 Preview, the latest option that gives you best quality. Next, you can choose to make your model private or public. There's also an option for auto symmetry. I usually keep it on so Meshy balances the design automatically. Click generate and wait for a few seconds. And here's the result. A complete 3D model from just a single text prompt. If you're not happy, you can simply regenerate until you find the best outcome. Next, I tried image to 3D option. I uploaded one of my earlier garment designs and Meshy instantly rendered it in 3D. This is powerful because instead of just imagining your sketch, you can actually preview it as a model in the space. Once you have got your base 3D model, Meshy lets you retexture it. You can pick from light, medium, and max rendering. I usually go with max for the cleanest finish. This step adds so much depth. Fabrics look realistic, textures pop, and the garment feels closer to a real prototype. And if you want more control, you can always export these models to Flow 3D, Blender, or Photoshop for manual edits. After retexturing, you can move into rigging, which basically gives you model movement. You set anchors at the joints, shoulders, elbows, knees, and Meshy animates it for you. In just a few clicks, you have got a garment that not only looks 3D but actually moves like a real model. Also experimented with a few fun generations. A pair of high heels, a futuristic humanoid model, and even a 3D self-portrait. The results were amazing and it really shows you how fast this technology is evolving. Imagine the level of precision we'll have in just 1 year from now. And that's day 10 with Meshy AI. From text and images to a fully rigged 3D garment. The best part? Meshy gives you 100 free credits to start experimenting for free. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you turn your sketches into 3D with AI? Stay tuned for day 11, where we are going even deeper into the future of fashion tech.